As you guys can see, I have my 2007 Honda Civic Si right here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken sun visor. So this process will be the same for any 2006 to 2011 8th generation Honda Civic Si. It may work for 9th gen Civics as well. Tools you're going to need for the job, obviously we have our new visor here, or should I say used, but huge shout out to Chris for that. And you're going to need a screwdriver with a flat head bit and a Phillips head bit. You're looking at this thing, you're like, how does it even come off? Well, I honestly thought the same thing myself until I just kind of figured it out. So you literally stick a flathead up there, pry it one way, release it from the clip up top, then you take it on the other side and literally do the same thing like that, and then this piece can just kind of come off or slide down. It gives us access to 2 bolts right there, 2 screws, so we can go ahead and take those off. And as you can see, looking up really close, it looks like they're a star bit as well as a flathead bit. As you guys can see, both of these screws are out. I can go ahead and gently remove this out of there like so. And there is the old assembly, guys. Go ahead and install the new one, guys. Just need to pop this up here, align the screw with that hole, and I could start to tighten. Finishing up right now, guys. Everything should be good. Just gonna go a little bit of hand tight right here, more on the right side, and hopefully this sun visor will last a long time, because I don't feel like getting another replacement one of these. So definitely heard that these are a problem with the 8th generation Civic SIs or EXs. So yeah, hopefully it lasts, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe for more 8th gen SI content. Peace out, and remember, never stop wrenching.